Storage mode, if equipped, disables a number of features to preserve battery life when your vehicle will be stored or not used for an extended period of time. When you're ready to enable, put the vehicle in the on-run position, but do not start the vehicle. Go to the Vehicle Information page in your instrument cluster, then to the 12-volt battery gauge subpage. Press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel to request storage mode. Then simply turn off the vehicle to engage it. When you're ready to exit storage mode, just start your vehicle back up. Keep in mind that connected services are unavailable in storage mode. Some features on your key fob, like remote start, don't work in storage mode, but locking and unlocking will still function. Make sure to check your rear seats for children and pets, as the rear seat alert will also be unavailable. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.